I welcome all of you on platform of YourPedia Education, and you are watching a regular series of admission in foreign universities in higher education. We have told you many times that in PhD abroad you get the scholarship, but in MS scholarship is less. So what is the best way to go abroad is if you can get a PhD and abroad with financial support. That is the best way you can save your money. 25-30 lakh rupees you can save, and also you can get PhD early, so you can start your industrial career very fast and maybe academic career. So this particular video, like last video, is for those students who have done really good in BTech and they can directly go into PhD. Like इंडिया में भी डायरेक्ट PhD का ऑप्शन है, यूएस में भी डायरेक्ट PhD का ऑप्शन होता है, लेकिन यूएस में डायरेक्ट PhD ऑप्शन तभी मिलता है if you are exceptionally good in your research field. Like if you have very good CGPA, you have done some research work, maybe you have published some research papers, then you get the opportunity, then you get the funding in PhD. You are not to spend money from your pocket. In fact, you get good scholarship, and you can complete your PhD fast and you can start your career there fast. That is the advantage for that. So one such option in this university I am going to show you today, that is basically in the field of your particular engineering domains. Like other than engineering fields of different branches, mathematics, computer, people can also apply. So this is the domain in which you can apply. We have still time, it is the March is the last date for that, but yes, you have to prepare for that. So let me tell you what they want. Numerical simulation of biological and physiological flows, and financial support will be provided to that. Who are eligible? BS or MS, BTech or MTech, degrees in engineering, mathematics, computers or some related field. So what is required is numerical methods mein you should be good, and you should have programming skills, C++, etc. good communication skills. So they expect some kind of GRE and TOEFL score. So if you have this, you can apply for this particular thing. And the good thing is, before you apply, you have to drop mail to the professor. So what are the qualifications required? Strong knowledge of fluid mechanics and computational methods, strong programming skills should be there. GRE he has already told you, quant में 165 चाहिए, एनालिटिक राइटिंग में 4 चाहिए, टोएफल में 95 चाहिए, आईलेट्स है तो 7 बैंड चाहिए तुम्हें फॉरेन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. So this criteria also they have mentioned. So if you fit in this criteria, as you know, YourPedia, the moment you seek consultancy with YourPedia, then we start providing you the guidelines detail for GRE TOEFL. पहले GRE TOEFL ले लो, C++ लर्न करो, Python लर्न करो, ये चीज़ें लर्न करो, थोड़ा सा अपना अच्छा बनाओ, रिसर्च एरिया बनाओ, MTech सीरियसली करो, then 100% you get PhD abroad with very good scholarship, and that is a really good career. So this is what the requirement is. I think that is what they have said. How to apply is also given. You have to have CV, transcripts, GRE score, TOEFL, these things are required. And you have to, once you have this, you have to drop mail to the professor directly. So dropping mail to the professor directly is really quite efficient process, because if your CVs, if your everything is very good CV and everything is very good, then if professor says yes, then very easily with very less money you can start applying, and that is a good opportunity for us. So start doing this so that you explore the opportunities. So BTech to direct PhD, can I go for that? That is really good domain in which you can proceed. So apply in this so that you can get opportunities.